Okay, now we are unboxing a box of shoes. The shoe that goes with the thing. Let's see. Oh, it's a silver shoe. Wow, ang ganda oh. Silver is soft. It's very soft material right here. May konting bling siya. Pero bakit kaya? It's gold this one. And it's silver down here. Itong hardware niya or bling niya. Pero it's so cute, right? Kagabi lang to dumating. Arrived last night. Okay, you guys. This is silver. And there's another one. Ito naman ay ang kulay pink. Ay, ito ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh. I really like this. Yung may ano ba? Ay, hindi ko alam you guys kung anong tawag dito sa ganitong fabric or material. Bahala na kayong mag-judge dyan. Pero di ba ang ganda? Size 6.5. Parang nag-doubt ako sa 6.5 before, pero I think hindi ko pa to natatry. I will try it mamaya. But if it doesn't fit the 6.5, then I have to reorder another one, size 7. So pink versus the silver. Ano sa palagay nyo? Anong mas maganda? Ang silver or ang pink? I think they both beautiful. They both I like them both. But you know, ang hirap yan. Woohoo! Ang cute. Ang ganda-ganda. Oh. Comment me down below, you guys, kung anong mas maganda dito sa dalawa. I like them both though.